Jodak e kaunti ma Kisumu ikwayo mondo dhi nyime kod luwo chike mane oket kod piny owacho mag duoko piny landruok mar midhusi mar COVID-19. Ma en kwayo mane ogol kod jalup gavana ma Kisumu Dr. Matthews Owili e kinde mane gichako ayanga chenro mar pogo mwandu mag ritruok ne tuo mar COVID-19 mane ochiw kod jo ohala ma Kisumu odiochieng' ma kawuono.
I want you to know that the effect of this pandemic and the war against this pandemic will not be won in the hospitals. It does not matter how prepared we are. It does not matter how much equipment we have. It does not matter how prepared we are in terms of our human resource. If we do not follow the protocols as laid down by the Ministry of Health and the County Department of Health and the multi-agency team, we will be overwhelmed, that I can promise you. So what am I trying to say? I am trying to urge the membership of the county of Kisumu and of the region in general that we have to break the circuit of the spread of this pandemic. Let us follow the protocols as laid out. Let us wear our masks, very important. Let us keep social distance. Let us avoid overcrowding. And we have identified areas where we are prone to overcrowd. When you board matatus, ensure that the matatus that you are boarding obey the protocols as set. If you go for funerals, we have maintained that you need only to have close family members and have only 50 people attend those funerals.
In terms of, we're going to sensitize in terms of response, the kind of response that we expect to help us flatten this curve. We are also talking about the post-COVID period, because we know that COVID has ravaged and affected our society, and we need to plan to ensure that all those issues that are going to come up post-COVID, we are going to deal with them. Especially like the families that have been aggrieved and who have suffered, the traders who have also been affected with the COVID. We are trying to work out ways to see how we can get support systems to enable us overcome COVID-19.